The battle for the eastern Ukrainian city of Bakhmut has turned into a slaughterfest for Russian forces, according to U.S. General Mark Milley, the chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff. Milley was asked at a House Armed Services Committee hearing on Wednesday about Russia's failure to capture Bakhmut, despite months of fighting to take it. Bakhmut is considered the bloodiest battle of the invasion so far. Milley said in response that he believes Russians are struggling in a big way there with command issues, logistics, basic tactics, and troop training.
But also training. These forces are very undertrained. They're essentially doing frontal assaults into machine gun positions, etc., and they're getting slaughtered. The Russian troops are. Ukrainians are doing a very effective area defense that is proven to be very costly to the Russians. For about the last 21 days, the Russians have not made any progress whatsoever in and around Bakhmut. So it's a slaughter fest for the Russians. They're getting hammered in the vicinity of Bakhmut, and the Ukrainians have fought very, very well. That's also true across the entire frontline trace, from Crimea all the way down to Kherson. The Ukrainians have fought a remarkable defensive fight, and the Russians have not achieved their strategic objectives.
Do you see the Russian objectives with respect to Bakhmut as being part of their offensive, or would you say this is a special effort and the broader offensive has yet to begin?
No, I think it's the latter. I think I think the Russian offensive, if you will, began some time ago, and it has had fits and starts, and it has not achieved the momentum and success that they expected it to achieve.
Russia first started shelling the city in May last year, with fighting ramping up in August. Russia has slowly inched forward, but has failed to capture the city. Experts say that Russia considers the city a chance for a symbolic victory, after it failed to make significant territorial gains in recent months. But Bakhmut doesn't hold much strategic importance, experts added. Western officials estimate that between 20,000 and 30,000 Russian troops have been killed or injured in the city, while NATO predicted that Russia was losing 5 soldiers for every Ukrainian killed. Ukraine says that it is using the fighting there to grind down Russia's forces. The UK Ministry of Defense said last week that Russia's progress in Bakhmut appeared to have slowed. In recent weeks, Russian forces have also turned their focus to the nearby town of Avdiivka, the UK ministry said, but they are losing considerable resources there too.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.